sheet. Turn right onto Holly Trail. The destination is on your right. 387 Holly Trail. Arrived.
Alright, you guys, we're here at another facial appointment, and as you can see, we're in I think this Crownsville, Maryland, and it's kind of in the, well, it's not in the backwoods, but it's closer to Annapolis. But you got to be careful because there's waterways everywhere. If you get lost, you go down to a river and then your car dips in, I mean, man, you got problems. And there's signs everywhere, so just be careful when you're traveling somewhere to somebody's house. Make sure you know the layout of the land, because it could be crazy, and just be careful. So we're about to get in here right now and see what's going on. And it may feel like I'm getting close to eyebrow. It's just I'm right on top. I don't touch.
I trust you, Benjamin.
Okay, gotcha.
You don't even have to explain.
So I'm just gonna move to the left a little bit. Perfect. I don't know how I missed that. Yeah, it's coming out now. It's good. Right underneath the eye.
Okay.
Underneath the eyelids, the thinnest skin on the face. Take my time. A lot of estheticians, yeah, they've been in the business for many years, but some still have a heavy hand. You know, just because you've been in 30 years, 40 years doesn't mean you're gentle. Especially underneath the eye, you did well. That's wonderful. So it's super hard for when somebody has super old skin, well not super old, but just wrinkly bags underneath their skin.
I can imagine.
Like, oh god, because the blade will get caught, like you have to stretch really this kind of a lot. It's a nightmare. Yeah, it's easy.
Thank you. I'm getting there. I'm 47. I'll be 48
Wow,
in January.
Okay. Yeah, all right, Capricorn.
Yeah.
All right.
No,
wait,
I'm Aquarius. What are you?
Capricorn.
Oh my God.
We're still
okay.
January. We're still January.
My husband's January 12th.
Wow, okay.
What are you?
Yeah, Capricorn. He's Capricorn too. Oh, I'm 15. So he's just 2 days before me, or 3. Yeah, that skin is just coming right up.
Good. what I needed.
So if you feel like little droplets or it's just the collection of skin.
It's
That's all.
okay.
I'm not doing anything crazy. No, because some people feel that and like, wait a minute, are you cutting my skin off? Like, what are you doing? Like, no, it's just dead skin. So I'm gonna go back to neutral.
Now, how often should I be getting this done?
For microblading, or I'm sorry, microneedling, it's a case-by-case basis. Some people only need it once a year, some people need it twice a year. For your skin, I'll say maybe every 6 months.
Okay.
Okay, because basically I'm just really super opening the pores, just like when you're mowing the grass and somebody wants to really make their lawn look great.
Okay.
Then you need to not just cut your grass, you have to actually wear something that penetrates to the ground, like some metal shoes, like Japan. The Japanese people, the way their grass is so wavy, it's only because they wear those wooden shoes with the spikes at the bottom, so the seeds can go way down into the ground and really grow and flourish. What do Americans normally do? We normally just throw that seed right on the surface and hope that it goes in the ground. Like, that's doing nothing. All you do is toss some seed out there on the ground and hope that it rains and it goes into the ground. But what you should normally do is like till your land, you know, make the soil soft, and then put the seeds, and then the soil will eat the seeds up. And so that's the same thing with the needles right here. It's like the little wooden shoes.
Got it.
You know, open up the pores. And this helps with product penetration, so when that chemical peel goes in, you'll feel it. You're like, oh, okay.
Okay.
I get it. And so when people are saying, oh, my face didn't change, I didn't go through over the counter, there's no way they're going to sell you a machine like this to penetrate your skin. You're going to use the best product. Then, yeah, they're not going to see a change because these chemicals are only made for a certain, you know, skin level. Not too bad. Good.
Not bad at all.
So the cheeks aren't so bad because they have more meat, but the forehead is like where you feel it because it's the thinnest skin on the upper part of our skull or cranium or skull period. You really feel it. But on the cheeks you start to feel it, but just maybe not as much. But right here you feel it because you get eyelid.
Okay. That's not so bad.
That's perfect. Good. I'm just targeting most of the areas where you see, you know, like the melasma.
Yes.
But it looks more like freckles. I've seen some people's melasma, they look like camouflage. Like you ever see like fatigue or something, like okay, and that's like patchy or splotchy. Yeah, or like port wine stain. Port wine stain gets its name from wine. Like you pour wine on the floor, it's almost impossible to get it out of white carpet. Same thing for a face. Port wine stain. It's like wow. And but that's melasma. Some of it's melasma. Some people just might misdiagnose it. And through certain pregnancies, especially if you have multiple children or multiple births at the same time, like twins, triplets, quadruplets. Yeah, like when Kate and 8 or whatever that was. Whatever that show. Get her last name. But yeah, she has melasma. She just puts makeup on to cover it. But she had it kind of bad. Yeah, you had 8 kids at one time.
Right.
What do you expect? Your hormones are really working like more than just triple overtime. Like they didn't even know what to do. Like, what do we do? And so it basically sends melanocytes to certain areas of the face, and they get stuck there.
I see.
And they don't know how to get back into the bloodstream and filter out. And once out of the bloodstream, it's very difficult to go back into the bloodstream.
I see.
And like I said, I looked underneath your chin. You're doing well underneath your chin. I expected different.
Okay.
But whatever your regimen is, I would not change anything.
Okay, good.
jawline can be a little sensitive because the jawline.
No, I'm good.
Yeah, you're doing real good because most people are, I'm done.